great, and yes, you must be absolutely fine. So now here you meet your Sushmita ma'am, and today we are going to discuss about the atomic number and the mass number. Now you must be amazed of that. How will you be there on the live interacting platform? That's going to be the ODA class. Now on this platform, you are the one who can come and learn various kind of concept. Now of course this is going to be the live interacting app, so the very important thing you need to just have on point is that how it is going to work. So here in this bridge course, you're going to get the entire week, and in that week, what you have to do is you have to just learn the concept. Now, the concept would be from the math and the science. Now, if you are just asking about the session, the number of the session, then it will be like three math session and three science session. And along with this, you can also get the English session. Now, if you look into the entire feature, you will be just having 1 week. And along with this 1 week, what exactly are the features that will be there? Now there is going to be the various kind of concept, like it can be dealt with the English subject, math subjects, or the science subjects. Now along with this, we do have the personal teacher support who is going to support you in any kind of, whether it's be academic or whether you are having certain kind of problems. So they are going to solve that. Okay, by just interacting with you. Now of course, if we talk about the homework, if we talk about the test, and yes, of course, the material. So all of these are going to be provided right in the bridge course. Now you all can be the part of this bridge course by just clicking on one link. And the link has been given in the description box. So you can go to the description box, you can just tap on the link, and yes, you are right there. Now, of course, you must be just asking that, ma'am, what's the price? So the price is just 49 rupees. So you all can join by just paying 49 rupees and enjoying the worth of one pura entire week. So yes, there is going to be one entire week for you. And of course, you are meeting Sushmita ma'am. So yes, let me tell you about my credentials. I have done my bachelor's from RIE NCERT. Also, I've done my master's and tried bagging the silver medal. So now, of course, you all can just trust me and find yourself at the better place. Now, when we talk about the atomic number, mass number, what does come across our mind? There are three things what we have to ponder about. The very first is the number. Now, this number is somewhere associated with the subatomic particles. We have to first figure out that there is an atom. Now, inside that atom, there are going to be three subatomic particles. Now, what are the three subatomic particles? Let me brief you. They are going to be the protons, electrons, and the neutrons. Now, these all have certain kind of association with each other, which gives the atomic number and the mass number. Now, all the matter is made up of the atom, and these atom has these some atomic particles. Very carefully look into each of them. Now, when I have marked this proton, so how it is related with the atomic number? So we have to look into the number of proton as well. So the number of proton, which is the positive one. So the number of proton, when you will find that, yes, suppose talking about six number of proton. So what is going to be and how it is associated with the atomic number? So in the same way, we can say that as many number of the protons, that would be referring for the atomic number. So atomic number is equal to the number of protons. As just now I have said you that if 6 is the number of proton, then the atomic number will be also 6, and this remain the same. Now, of course, you will be asking that, ma'am, how to represent the atomic number. So the atomic number can be represented by the symbol that is referred as Z. Now you must be asking also about that, why only Z? Why not the other kind of number, like other kind of alphabets? Maybe it be A, B, C. Why only Z? So I do have the answer for this also. Just bear for some moment. Now, atomic number is the number of the protons present in the nucleus of the atom. So there is the atom. Inside this, you do have the nucleus. Now, inside the nucleus, there are two subatomic particles that exist. That's going to be the proton and the neutron. Now here the atomic number deals with the proton. So if you look into the example of the hydrogen, helium, lithium, you will find that the number of proton in case of the hydrogen is 1. So parallelly, if you look into the atomic number, you will find that that is also same. In case of the helium, there are two number of protons. So the atomic number is also going to be 2. In case of the lithium, there are three number of protons. So the atomic number is also going to be 3. In the same way, we are going to go with the another set of kind of element or kind of examples. Now, taking the example of the beryllium, what do you find that? What is going to be the number of proton and the atomic number? The answer is given right here. That's going to be the 4 number of protons and the atomic number is also 4. Now, when I ask you fill in this blank, so in case of the lithium, we do have the number of protons, that is 3. So what shall I fill here? That's gonna be 3. Same way go for the helium. So there is the number of proton, that is 2, and so that's the atomic number. So we are gonna fill it as 2. So have you got now that how to take out the atomic number? So if the atomic number is given, you can find the number of protons. If the number of proton is given, you can find the atomic number. So you have got the association between the two. Now, in case of the boron, the number of proton is 5, the atomic number is 5. What with the carbon? So, carbon has a number of proton, that is 6. So, what would be the atomic number? I want the answer right here in the comment. Come on, just tell me that what should be the atomic number of the carbon. So, just focus on this and try to figure out that what is equal to the number of proton. That is the atomic number. So, we are going to fill it as 6. Now, in case of the nitrogen, if the 7 is the atomic number, so the number of proton will be also 7. In case of the oxygen, the number of proton is 8. So, we are going to go with the atomic number that is equal to the same number of proton, that is 8. Right? So, in the next case, you have to answer this x and y value. Okay? So, what is going to be the x value and what is going to be the value of the y? So I want your answer right in the comment box. Yes, I'm not going to tell you. Now, as we have discussed that atomic number is represented by Z. Now, why Z? Because Z is going to be abbreviated for the ZAL. Now, ZAHL is going to be the one which in German means number. So, ZAL means German number. In the German, we call the ZAL as the number. So, the atomic number, right? So, that has been abbreviated for the ZAHL as Z. So you have got now the answer that why atomic number is referred as Z in case of the symbol. Now, what is going to be the mass number? How it is different from the atomic number? So the mass number is the count of the total number of protons and the neutrons in the atom of the nucleus. So there is the nucleus, and in the nucleus we find the proton and the neutron. So the sum of the proton and the neutron gives the mass number. So what the formula we do have? So in this case, the number of proton plus the number of neutron gives the atomic mass, and that is also referred as the mass number, right? Now, the P is represented for the proton and N is represented for the neutron. That gives the value of the A. Now, what is this A? This refers for the mass. This refers for the mass number, right? So, you have two alphabets, which is going to symbolize for the atomic number and the mass number. So, the Z is for the atomic number, whereas the A is for the atomic mass or the mass number. Now, of course, when you look into this, you get that the number of proton is 6, the number of neutron is 6. Now, what should be the atomic mass? What should be the mass number? Come on, let me know. So, we do have an idea that how to add both of them and get the number. So, the mass number is going to be the sum of proton and the sum of neutron. That is going to give us the mass number, right? So, yes, we have got the sum of the both, and that results 12, right? So, of course, you do have the way to answer this also. So, this is the exercise time. You have to tell me that what is going to be the mass number in this case. So, where the number of proton is 7 and the number of neutron is 7. So, what should be the mass number? And that has to be 7 plus 7, that goes as 14, right? In the next one, you do have the number of proton, that is 4, and the mass number is given as 9. So what should be the number of neutron? The simple equation that follows. So what you have to do, you have to just subtract it, and then you get the value of the neutron. That has to be 5, right? So you have got the value that how to take out neutron if the number of proton is given, if the atomic number is given, or even if the mass number is given. You can find out the number of neutron, or in case if you have this kind of situation where you are given with the proton, you're given with the neutron, you have to find out the mass number. In that case also you can find it out just by adding both of them. And here we have 8 and 8, which gives 16. Whereas in the next one, you have the number of proton, you have the mass number. Now you have to find out the number of neutrons. So what you have to do in this case, you have to just figure out that how to subtract it. So in this case, what are we going to do? Mass number minus the number of protons. So we get here the number of neutron, and that's going to be how much? That's going to be 10, right? So I hope that you have got how to take out the atomic number, how to take out the mass number, right? So further, if you have any doubt in this case, you can just connect with us. So this is the last one I want you all to remember, is how to refer or symbolize in case of the atomic number and the mass number. So this is the given element, any kind of element, the symbol will be given. Here suppose hydrogen is there, then you can write the atomic number as symbolizing the Z and the mass number symbolizing the A. So please refer for both of them. And yes, if you want some more amazing concept, then you can just join the live interacting app. That's going to be the ODA class. And along with this, you're going to get various kind of features on the bridge course, which is starting right from Monday. So you are going to get a duration of 1 week, where you're going to have 3 sessions of maths and 3 sessions of science. Along with this, you're also going to be provided with, that is, your personal tutor, homework would be there, competitive exams would be held, like you can just appear for subjective test, objective test, and along with this, you can also have the entire PDF material. Now, of course, you must be thinking that how to enroll. You can just go and click on this link which has been provided in the description box. So that is going to be just at the rate of 49. So yes, I want you all to be here in the class and win the gifts. Yes, you can earn the gifts as well just by learning. So you learn, and of course you earn. So yes, if you want to do this, if you want to learn this, you are very, very welcome to this program. Now, yes, if you have liked this session, you can hit the like button, you can subscribe the channel, and yes, share with your friends and family. And we will be there with the next concept. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself. Thank you.